A shoe basically is taking your foot and forcing it into a mold, right? So they're telling you your foot isn't right and it needs correcting. We're building something that will complement your foot rather than correct it. Our sandals, you're not relying on the foam, you're relying on yourself, your equipment.
We're thinking, what's the best way to make a sandal? How can we make straps that fit your feet just right? And so there's things that take longer, or that the process is more difficult because it's handmade, but we believe it's the right process.
People are so disconnected from like the product that they're using. They don't really know where it comes from or who's making it, how it's made, what it's made of, like where the materials are sourced from. And so here at Shamma, we want to make products well, and we want to source the materials well and source them here in the US. And that's good for our economy, that's good for our country.
Fan of our country, it's a great place to live. I would love to be part of a renaissance in manufacturing. Whatever we can do to keep producing here in the USA is just awesome. I mean, I'm totally committed to that.
And I think it's easier to take care of something that's made by someone as opposed to by a machine. We should be good stewards of what we have, but it's also supporting local people. We have jobs because people buy our sandals.
Ultimately, the product that you're buying, it's what can you do in it? And that's the true value of a product. And I would love to push the limits of what you can do in a sandal.
It shows that like what we're doing actually is helping people, and kind of crazy to think that our small little shop in Santa Cruz has expanded to the whole world.